Uh, Hi, I've created a to-do app for my CS50 online assignment. That's Project 0, in which I had to, uh, just when I click on new to-do, it creates a new task, and for that, when I click on check, it crosses off the task and it updates the unchecked count. So right now it's just two which are unchecked. So it says two, and the total count is three for the items. So basically, just managed a basic to-do application. So you just click it off, and when you and this is an edit functionality where I press a delete button, the task gets deleted. So when I click on delete, the item count gets updated and the unchecked count also gets updated. Okay, so basically what I tried to do is, so this is the JavaScript file. um, I did not change the index.html file. It is as it is. I'll just add new tasks in the unordered list, and and there is a style sheet. I haven't changed the style sheet also. So the first thing I did is, when I click on the new add to do button, it should trigger a function named add to do. This function it just basically creates a new element. It creates a new container wherein it will have the input, the checkbox thing, and the text of the task, and also have a delete button. So for now, I have created a dynamic new to do text which will just be updated using the list.children.length. That is the what is the all the tasks in the list which we get from the unordered list. If we want to, be more interactive, we can also uh, insert a text box which takes the value for the task, and just add that value to the text.inner.html. So right now I just used a list.children.length. Okay, and what I do is basically just add the checkbox, add the text and the delete button, and I just append it to the unordered list, and then I update the unchecked box. So what is the unchecked box function? Basically it will just iterate through all the checkboxes in the code, and it will see if the checkbox is checked or not. If the checkbox is not checked, then it will update the result, that is the number of unchecked tasks. And this I do in every deletion or updating or anything, or checking off or anything. So the next thing, this was, I added the task. Next thing was to check off the uh, task. I'll just bring it over here. So next thing was to, when I click on it, the task should be checked off and the unchecked count should be updated. So that I do with the function check to do, wherein I press the checkbox and I select the next element sibling, and this is the next element sibling, and I just make a text decoration line through. Okay, and based on the toggle of the checkbox, I just do an if condition wherein if it is checked, I'll just make it line through or else none, and then I update the unchecked box. Okay, so this thing was completed by this, and lastly the edit functionality is the delete button, wherein wherein if I press a delete button, it should delete the task. So basically, this is the delete button, where it just removes the child of the to delete button, and I update the uncheck box. So what I do is I'll just show in the inspect element. So these are the new added um, things. So basically, So when I click on a delete button, you can see the child gets removed and the unchecked count gets updated. So I just basically remove the whole child from the parent and I update the unchecked box. So that's all for the to do app. Thank you.